This is our syllable card set. This set of 48 cards is a color-coded, engaging activity for students to learn to count, pronounce, blend, and segment syllables. They can count the syllables of each picture. There's a large size card, so they can see the picture clue, and then they can count the syllables, they can clap out the syllables, and then they can even self-check on the back. Volcano or volcano. There are many different strategies to count out those syllables, but this is a great addition to any classroom that does science of reading or any phonics program. So get your students engaged and active with those syllables in a center or in a classroom lesson or even small groups, but this is sure to make a difference in their reading progress.